Periyar started to oppose from 1924-25 ಈ ಥರ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ರಾಜಾಜಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ Tamil have history, Tamil people have history to oppose Hindi from thousands of years like that. What is that, sir?
Right. Say, in the history, if you talk about the history of language, ಭಾಷೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ತಮಿಳು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಈ రెండు విడివిడు వేరే వేరు భాషలు. Sanskrit is Indo-Aryan Bhasha. Tamil is Dravidian Bhasha. And there is no connection between these two languages. But Tamil nalli ee Sanskrit influence. Imposition by some people and influence is made by some people. That is the history. That is from 1,000 years back it is started. 2,000 years back itself it is started.
Sanskrit.
Yeah, Sanskrit.
So we are
in Tamil,
we are telling Hindi.
No, Hindi, actually Hindi's history is only 150 years. Hindi is not a original language. Hindi is a combination of so many languages. Urdu, Parsi, Arabi, Sanskrit. Today in Hindi, most of the words are from Sanskrit. It is Sanskritized. It is all only during last 50-60 years. But originally, Hindi is, in fact, people will say, Tulasidasa wrote Ramayana in Hindi. Actually, Tulasidasa not wrote Ramayana in Hindi. It is in Awadhi.
Awadhi?
Yes.
Oh, that is also one language?
Yes.
Oh.
In India, 3,000 languages are there.
Oh.
Now, at the time of independence, after independence, during the constitution formation, 14 languages were listed in the 8th schedule.
Not only ideyala.
14. Correct. Today it is 22. You know one thing? There is a demand to include some languages in the 8th schedule. How many languages are there still pending, you know?
I don't know, sir.
More than 30.
Oh.
More than 30 languages have represented to include their languages in the 8th schedule. Now it is 22. From 14 to 22. Peculiar thing is, Sanskrit is there.
Oh, in that 14 languages?
In 14 languages itself. But whereas there is no land, there is no mother tongue people of Sanskrit.
There are there, they will lie, no?
See, people who can claim my mother tongue is Sanskrit. Nobody is there. Sanskrit is a language.
One of Karnataka MP, he took oath in Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
So he declared, this is my mother tongue.
That is all only.
By doing this, there are peoples, they are very liars. They will tell, I am a Tamilian, I am a Kannadiga, I am a Telugu person, like that. Their mother tongue, that's why they are imposing.
So what happened? That the influence of Sanskrit in Tamil started some 1,000 years back. So Tamil Bhasha became corrupt. So many words. Say now we are also talking in Kannada or Tamil along with English. Like that, Sanskrit words entered into Tamil and Tamil became corrupt and new languages started. So in fact, what language others are telling is, Kannada is there, Telugu is there, Malayalam is there. Malayalam is the last language to evolve. If you remove Sanskrit words from Malayalam, that will become a pure Tamil. In Kannada also a lot of Tamil words are there. What Periyar will say, this Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, all these languages are only one language.
Dravida language.
It is called Dravidian language and it may be called any language. You call it Tamil or Kannada or whatever it is. But these are all only one language. Different parts. Yes, Tamil is spoken in Madurai one way, in Chennai one way, in Kannada also. Kannada also in Bangalore, Kannada is spoken in different way, and North Kannada people, they will talk in different way.
Hubli Kannada is different.
Like that only, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, all these things are like that only. They are all one language. You name it as Tamil or Kannada or Telugu or whatever it is. These are only one language. That is what Periyar used to say.
Our question is opposition for imposition.
See what happened? Because of this influence of the Sanskrit, the culture of Tamil is spoiled. See, it is not only mixing words or corrupting the language. It is corrupting the minds of the people. Because their thought, their books and their, alochanal, all these things are coming to our mind. Varnachrama, Jadi Beta, all these things came from Sanskrit only. Previously, in Tamil Nadu or in South India, there was no Jadi. Even I think Kannada, there is Jadi is not a Kannada word. Some other things may be there. Kulam. Kula.
Yes.
What is Kula? Kula is not Jati. Kula is a group of people.
Based on
one clan, one group. So some people joined together, they lived in some place and they are one Kula. And based on some, what is called step by step, that Varnachrama is giving that hierarchy system, that system was not there. By birth, nobody is deprived. That's what Thiruvalluvar said, Pirapokkum ella uyirkum. By birth, all are equal. That was the system prevailed in South. But it was changed because of Sanskrit. So, these are to oppose this kind of things. So, last hundreds and thousand years, people from Tamil Nadu opposed Sanskrit. They called that language as Uttra Bhasha, Vadamoli. No, it was not Sanskrit.
Uttarada Nudi.
Uttara Bhasha.
Bhasha is a Sanskrit word. In Kannada we use Nudi. As you use Muli.
Nudi.
Uttara Nudi.
Mudi or Nudi?
Nudi.
Okay. So, it was called Vadamoli. Say, a lot of Tamil scholars those days, they said Vadamoli is different, Tamil is different. Vadamoli is spoiling. That one particular time in 19th century, Tamil became so corrupt and 60 to 70% of the words are in Sanskrit. Jala Kodi, Jalam Kodi. They have not used Tamil word, Tamil. Tanni Kodane, Jalam. So many things. Even if you talk Talaivar and Matadidare andre Prasanga Madidare, Prasanga. Like that, so many words.
But Tamil word is
what?
Matadu, no?
Pesaradu. Yes. So that way, so many Sanskrit words were there in Tamil, and people say, some Sanskrit scholars or language scholars, what they said was, it was Mani Pravala. That means diamond and emerald mixed. A new language they formed. Mani Pravala. Then only in...
It was opposite from that time.
Yeah.
Then how it's changed to 60-70%?
That's why, see, some people will be going on opposing, but because of the political and ruling power, they...
How they captured?
See, the people of Aryans, when they came here, they only as outsiders they came, and first they entered into the palace, then they captured the power, and they started propagating their system.
Captured the power or captured the mind of kings?
Yeah, that's how. See, first they captured mind of king, and they changed their mind, and they Raja and all, how they were.
They want big area to
rule.
Big tax.
So these people, they used to say that you do this yaga, so you will become a very big king, like that.
So you will get
that way,
beautiful girls.
Yeah.
They are doing like that.
Yeah.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಸೀದಾ ರಾಜರನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾಜರಿಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ನೀನು ಈ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು ಸುಂದರಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಿನಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಾಜ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ, ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸಿ ಇವರು ಜನಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏಟ್ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜರಿಗೆ ಇವರು ಆ ಒಂದು ಈಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇವರು ಜನಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರೇನಿದ್ರು ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯತೆ ಇದೆ, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸಿ ಈಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸನೇ 2000 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾತಿ, ವರ್ಣ ಪದ್ಧತಿ, ಮನುಸ್ಮೃತಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಬಂದದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕುಲಗಳಾಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಕುಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಜಾತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಇವರು ಆಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೊದಲಿಂದನೂ ಆಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ.
That is one thing. And in 1916, I told about some scholars, Tamil scholars, Maramalai Adigal. He has started one movement called Tani Tamil Iyakam. That is pure Tamil movement.
Okay. In 1916.
16. That time he has removed so many, Sanskrit words from Tamil. Lot of people used to talk in the Manipuravala basis. He started talking in pure Tamil. So that movement has helped to some extent. And in 1938, in the agitation, Periyar, Maramalai Adigal, Somasundara Bharadiyar, Kasu Pillai, all these people joined together. They fought against Hindi imposition. In that, what happened? In the public, there are so many places, lot of agitation. In that, more than thousands of people, 1,700 people or something like that, were arrested. In that, first 2 people were died in jail. One, Mr. Nadarajan, in 1939, January 14th, Nadarajan died. March month, Thalamuthu died. After their death, Tamil Nadu Pura, everywhere, there was a big agitation. In 1940, February, in 39 end, government was dissolved.
Rajaji
government dissolved.
Before independence only.
Yeah, that time. He was there for 2 years. Why this government was dissolved? There was central government, British government thought that these people have lost their popularity. So they wanted to remove this thing, and they removed. And 1940, the governor, British governor, February 21st, 1940.
In Madras Presidency.
In Madras Presidency, first was brought by Rajaji, and it was there for 2 years. Then lot of agitation. Then after government was dissolved, in 1940, British governor has declared Hindi is removed in 21st February. Every year, another important thing is this 21st February
World Mother Language
Day.